What ringtone is that?
You want some hot sauce with that chicken? Damn ape. The hell are you doing up this late anyways, making Kool-Aid? I bet it's grape flavor.
Tommy, what are you doing beating your chest at 4 o'clock in the morning? Put down the watermelon and get in here and get these dishes done. What the fuck? Fucking porch monkey.
Yeah, you heard her. Get off that stinky dark ass of yours and get in there and do those dishes, boy. Before I lash you up. Matter of fact, make me a sandwich while you at it, too.
Yeah, officer, there's this monkey ass right in there.
Freeze! Freeze! I didn't do anything.
Put your hands where I can see him.
I didn't do
Hey,
anything.
hey, boy! Shut up! I don't want to put any holes in you. Hey, stop resisting! Stop resisting! You're under arrest for speeding. I seen you outside with your Hellcat and Trackhawks and shit. Going 250 on the highway.
I don't have a Hellcat.
Stop resisting!
Gun sound, gun sound, gun sound.
Now look at you all dead. You shouldn't have been speeding, boy. The hell? Are you still alive? Fuck that. You'd been speeding.